What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm holding the microphone right here because I don't have a microphone that can reach me. You are really far away from me right now. But today we're going to be taking a look at the Be Quiet light wing fans. These fans are phenomenal. They look really nice, super high quality. If you haven't watched the Pure Base FX video, these fans were in that case. Today we're going to be going in more depth about these fans. These fans comes in two sizes, 120 millimeter, 140 millimeters. They both sell in packs, 3-pack with an ARGB hub. Right now, the 3-pack for 120 is $80, and the 3-pack for 140 is $85. So for $5 more, much better airflow. Speaking of airflow, the 120 millimeter fans can run up to 1700 RPM, pushing 42 CFM, but they keep the noise level at 20 dBA, which is super low for a fan. Usually, like with that speed, you're looking at least at 30 to 35 dBA. So super quiet. I'll throw a quick noise test right here for you guys, and this is how loud. And the 140 millimeter can actually run up to 2200 RPM and stay under 31 dBA, which is insane for a 140 millimeter fan. So obviously when you're buying these, $79, a little bit more expensive, but you're getting insanely good quality. And as you've seen from the intro, all these fans are ARGB controllable, so you just hook them up to the ARGB fan hub that came with them. The one thing that I wish was different is the ARGB hub. I wish it was also a PWM hub. It's only an ARGB hub. They could have provided a hub that can do both at the same time. For that price range, I feel like it's not extra really for them to provide that. That was one nitpick thing that as I was going through the fans, I was like, dang it, I wish it was like power and ARGB at the same time, so you don't have to maintain two hubs. But regardless, obviously they're all RGB as from the intro you saw. Moving on, the connections on these fans are just normal 5-volt PWM or ARGB, obviously, and it's one cable split at the end to two things. You can change the colors, and I gotta say, these rings are phenomenal. Look at this. You can't see any spotting, and it's like diffused really well. It looks really nice, and I think there's so many LEDs in each ring that as the lights is going around, you can't see crap. Like, you can't see it transitioning. It's super gradient, which is phenomenal, especially when you have ring fans. I honestly love that they included the logo over here. It's really clean looking, and they have a logo on the sides, and just the design of each fan is really phenomenal. All these fans are actually rated at 60,000 hours, which is a lot of time before you run into issues, and they're all covered under Be Quiet's great warranty. They're really known for being really good. I've run into issues before with a cooler that I had from them, and they sent me the product like that with like no questions, you know, just what is the problem, describe it, here's a new part, you're all good to go. So if you guys have any more questions, please drop them down below in the comments. I just wanted to show them off, show you guys what they look like in real life footage, not just pictures from a website. But that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it for made it this far. If you've been enjoying this series, you know, PC part reviews or PC building reviews, please drop a like and please subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to grow and hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That is the goal. If you're watching this video, help me make it happen. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Be Quiet, for sending these fans to check out, and have a good night or good day or good morning or good whatever you're having. Bye.